Hey there, this is Derek Henry, and if you want to spend less time managing sheets in Excel, then I've got the tool for you. This lets you perform all kinds of commands related to sheets that are native to Excel and some that go well beyond what you can do without it in a key-driven pick list. So let's take a look. So I am in an Excel sheet that has a lot of sheets, okay? And I'm going to run a macro called the Sheet Action Picker with a shortcut. And it presents you lots of different commands you can run just by typing a key. So if we want to do, let's say we want to add a table of contents with option T. We can easily do that. And we get a hyperlink list of every sheet in the file, even color-coded. So if we want to jump to one very quickly, we can do that. We run this again and click option F, it jumps back to the first sheet. Great place to put that table of contents. If we want to copy a sheet, right? Let's say we want to copy this one right here. We can press C and optionally even put in the new name, like this right here. Okay, if we want to, let's say we want to hide that new sheet, okay, option H is great for that. Or U unhides all the sheets in the file, something you can't do with Excel. And then lastly, if you have a whole bunch of sheets like this one, type option J to show a search box. So we're going to type just a couple of letters, go down to the sheet that we want, and it takes us over there. Okay, several other options for moving and renaming, etc. But those are the ones that I know I tend to use most. Picklist macros like this are great because they pull together all kinds of commands native to Excel and beyond. Notice at the bottom here, you're able to save your default action, right? So if you check that box, F is the option I've got because I'm almost always going back to that first sheet whenever I run this. You can save your default and make it even quicker. Imagine how much time you can save when you do something like this. I did some quick math and I use this, gosh, probably 20 times a day, 230 days a year, about 5 seconds each time I run is what it's going to save on average. Adds up very quickly. Over 6 hours a year is what I'm estimating, right? So the next time you're scrolling all over a workbook looking for the file to manage, just remember, there's a better way, right? Quicker and easier with one shortcut. You want to check this out and learn more about it, look at the QR code or go to www.XLEV8.co. If you like this, make sure to follow me for more great tools. Please tell me what you think, give it a like, share with your friends, and try it out for yourself today. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day.